People gathered in large numbers at Freedom Park in Bengaluru to protest against the alleged atrocities on Dalits, Muslims, and Christians by the self proclaimed Hindutva forces. The organizers of the protest urged people to be united and live with peace and harmony.
ಕೇಳಿದರು ರಾಮನಾಮ ಸಿಗದ ಕೊರಗುವಿರಿ ಅನಾಥರಾಗಿ.
Today you're protesting against the oppression of Muslims and also the recent incidents against Christians in the state. What is your message?
So we are protesting against the inaction of the government against all these instances, against the violence against the Dalits, also against the Christians, against the Muslims, and we feel that this is organized. There are certain groups which are doing this very purposefully, and it's the government's responsibility to maintain law and order, but the government is not doing that. So the message to the society is that don't be part of this, stand up against this, and the message to the government is that you should hold law and order. You should stop these groups which are spreading hatred, dividing the society, and eventually causing harm to our country.
Why are you protesting today and what's your demand?
Okay, so there is a collective protest that is the demand is to ensure dignity and respect to everything, respect to choice, respect to religion, respect to live life as democratic and independent individuals for people from every community. So that's what we are demanding today, and we, given the situation that the country is going through right now, we think that this is the demand of the hour. And what we see is that all sorts of problems that the people of India are facing today, be it the price rise, be it unemployment, be it this issue of communalization, we feel that all these are threaded together, and we have to fight all of this together. That's what the demand is.